100% pitch on this part. Sheesh. It ain't skidding now with the four wheels, is it? Nope.
Oh, with these badass tires.
Yeah. Wow. Whole valley. That's cool.
Don't you drop it. But you will hold. Bam.
It's almost cool to have one of those wrist lanyards for things like this.
What do you think this one is?
The pitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
I'm gonna guess a 16.
Holy fuck.
Damn. We bounced up there.
Yep, 18, 19. Oh, that's Stewart Valley, right?
Oh, there's two big ass rocks.
Danger. Do not drive right over the edge. Apparently it's saying.
Oh, just one rock.
A lot easier said than done because I can't see shit.
Yeah. Zowie. There's a flag. He
A
stopped,
little
so
more towards
Where?
Josh a little.
like yeah, you can come over this way a lot more.
Yeah.
But that dude was like stopped on the trail for a second. Yeah.
There you go. Now we're back on. See, I'm using it.
Well, I like this one, like to race. You got
Wrong way.
pretty sure that's not the I like it just now it's like
Just a little rock right there, right?
That's right. I think it's fine.
Kind of surprised there's not dudes right on our tail, but it's cool that they're giving us a little space.
Yeah, that everybody's just taking it easy, you know?
Because so many times there's some idiot out here that wants to well, be stupid.
Yeah,
Like
race
the-
through it.
like the one at the fucking meet yesterday.
Yeah,
Right.
the cops, like, calm down.
Yeah, calm down. before you had the lift and the big tires and all that stuff. Like right after you got it.
Yeah, the day we got it.
Right. It was fun because it was sketchy about coming up here. I think I even drove that day.
It's just sketchy because you can't see below.
Right.
Like you can't see. Once you hit that pitch at the top, then you're like, oh, okay.
She was nervous about driving it like the very first day, so I drove, even though I'm no like off-road, beast of any kind. But then like
You're just winging it too, yeah.
But then like ever since then, like nope, she's got it every time.
Oh yeah, no, she don't even look nervous when we hit the top hill and I'm sticking my head out, trying to see what the road looks like in front of us.
I want to say there was.
Then we have to hop out.
And I gotta get out. I'm like, oh,
more that way, that direction.
I want to say there was some giant rocks right up here, but they must have cleaned them out of the. Yeah.
shove them down the hill.
Yeah.
Fuck's
They just.
Where are we at?
Oh, we got plenty of
You
space.
gotta let it kind of goes a little towards Josh.
Yeah.
There you go. Now it'll straighten out.
Yeah, pretty much
Now it'll
straight
Okay,
down.
that's
Yeah.
good.
Somebody's stopping for a smoke already, or they burned up? I see a little cloud of smoke in the air. Oh, it must just be dirt.
A little dirt poof.
Yeah, I guess so. It almost looked like a cloud of smoke for a second.
Yeah, get a little shaken up.
A little downshift.
We're not shaking. No, these bad boys love them.
I'm surprised actually there's not like you can't set the transmission for like off-road.
To where it changes.
Yeah, like it changes the gears a little bit or something.
Shifts and downshifts for you.
They
So
just.
you can
Oh yeah.
put it in the downhill assist.
Oh. But that's for long treks, like pulling something, probably, right?
Well, if we're going down 20% grades.
Sure. Yep, we did all this.
Sure did. Except for we didn't go down that side. We went down
Yeah.
that side and go back to
Yeah, because we went all the way up to the top and was like, might as well turn around.
Oh yeah.
Because it was starting to get dark, I think.
Mom and stuff did too.
Right?
Yeah, we did all this, and then we got to the bottom, and I was like, well, and then we came back.
Well, because it started to look kind of sketchy, like maybe it was only for four-wheelers. if I
Yeah, like the
recall.
trails got narrower.
Yeah.
Wait.
Don't go that way. You're gonna do a lot more.
Did John tell you again how much he wished he had his little truck running? So
Well, last night he was like, so we almost have, we only have a couple payments left on the Camaros, so maybe I need a Jeep.
What?
Dude, pay for your trailer.
Yeah,
first.
man. Pay for your house. Yeah, pay your house off.
Yeah, I mean, you might as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
You did so well with the cars, you might as well.
Yeah.
Well, and you got that giant, beautiful truck too.
Yeah, he's not. He's being
Yeah.
silly.
Well, they rolled the RV and the truck together, which is super cool. And I want to say it was only like 100 for both of them or something like that. So,
Well, that's nice.
yeah, for sure. Maybe it's a little more, but I don't think it was a lot.